Hey guys, my name is Jessie and today we're doing a mini makeover on our toilet room in our rental. To start with, I'm doing a deep clean of the space. I'm wiping down the counter, cleaning the mirror and replacing the hand towel. Then I moved on to the super fun job of cleaning the toilet. Luckily I had our dog Bjorn to provide me with moral support. Seriously, these dogs never leave us alone. Then I moved on to the floors. I quickly swept to get rid of all of the dog hair in the universe, and then I mopped. While I waited for the floors to dry, I stuck these Velcro 3M things onto the back of this wonderful print that I made for my partner's birthday. Once the floor was dry, I moved a few pieces into the space to make it a bit more practical and to give it a bit of decoration. I added in this stand with some spare toilet roll, some feminine products, and an old bottle of perfume that we use for toilet spray. I added some plants onto the bench and the stand, and then I moved on to hanging the print. After hanging the hilarious print up on the wall, I took everything off the top shelf of the cupboard and gave it a wipe down and then filled everything back in. As you can see, we have a lot of sunscreen and aloe because I am a pale human. The bottom shelf is the perfect size for a roll of toilet paper, so that's where we keep all of that. We already had all the pieces that I used for styling in this mini makeover, and I made the print myself, so the only thing that I needed to buy was a frame, which I found for $6 at Kmart. That's all from me today. I hope you liked this mini makeover. Sometimes all you need in a space are some small changes to make things more stylish and practical. Please click like if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more room makeovers. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys! And it has some spare toilet... Oh, why can't I talk? Why would you wear black? Always covered in some kind of animal fur. Hey, sweetie. Do you like Mummy's toilet makeover? You just like sleep.